How do we preserve endangered species? According to the International Union for Conservation of Nature, or IUCN, estimate that at least 38,500 species are under threat of extinction, and over 16,300 are endangered. Good morning, everyone. I am Rinalyn Narte. Today, let's talk about a critical issue facing our planet, the preservation of endangered species. Extinction is a natural process, but the current rate of the species loss is alarmingly high, largely due to the human activity. We are losing biodiversity at an unprecedented pace, and this has profound consequences for the health of our planet and the future of humanity. The International Union for Conservation of Nature, or IUCN, released document that the grim statistic 10 of thousand species are teetering on the brink of extinction. This isn't simply a matter of losing a few animals, it is a crisis of biodiversity loose with the far-reaching consequences. The current extinction rate is estimated to be 1,000 to 10,000 times higher than the natural background rate. This unprecedented loss is primarily driven by the human activities. The International Union of Conservation of Nature, or the IUCNA, maintains the Red List of Threatened Species, a comprehensive catalog of the conservation status of 1,000 of species worldwide. Think of it as a global report card on the health of our planet wildlife. This isn't about simple endangered or not endangered species. It is a system that helps us understand the severity and the causes of threats of the species survival. Roughly 99% of threatened species are at risk because of the human activities alone. By the early 21st century, it could be said that the human beings are the greatest threat to biodiversity and are the major drivers of biodiversity loss. Habitat loss is arguably the most significant factor. Deforestation, urbanization, and agricultural expansion are destroying and fragmenting the natural habitats the species need to survive. This leaves them vulnerable to predation, competition, and lack of resources. The extinction of the species is not a loss of single creature. It is the tear in the intricate fabric of life. Every species plays a vital role in its ecosystem, a role that often remains hidden until it's too late. The disappearance of the keystone species, for example, can trigger cascades of ecological collapse, impacting everything from the balance of plant life to the availability of clean water. Think of the bees, crucial pollinators of countless plants, or the wolves, regulator of prey population and maintainers of the ecosystem health. Their decline directly impacts our food security, our water, resources, and even our air quality. We're not just talking about the abstract ecological concept. The loss of biodiversity has direct consequences for human beings. Many medicines are derived from plants and animals, and the extinction of the species could mean the loss of the potential cure for the disease. Furthermore, the economic benefits of ecotourism depends on the healthy ecosystem, and thriving wildlife are sustainable. The loss of this species translates to lose revenue and lose opportunity. Population is another major threat. Air, water, and soil pollution can directly harm animals and plants, disrupting their psychological processes and reproductive cycle. Plastic pollution, in particular, as in growing concern with animals ingesting plastic debris, leading to starvation, suffocation, and internal injuries. Climate change is exacerbating existing traits, change in temperature, precipitation pattern, and sea levels are disrupting ecosystems. Climate change is exacerbating existing traits, change in temperature, precipitation patterns, and sea levels are disrupting ecosystem and forcing species to adapt or face extinction. Coral bleaching, for example, is the devastating consequences of rising ocean temperature, threatening the survival of countless marine species. Overexploitation, including hunting, poaching, and illegal wildlife trade, further depletes already vulnerable population. The demand for exotic animal products fuels this destructive practice, pushing species closer to the brink. Why should we care about preserving endangered species? The answer is multifaceted, profoundly interconnected with our own well-being. Biodiversity underpins the essential ecosystem services that sustain human life. It provides clean water, air, fertile soil, pollination of crops, climate regulation, and countless other benefits. The loss of biodiversity threatens food security, water resources, and human health. What can we do in preserving endangered species? The answer is, it begins with the awareness. We must educate ourselves and others about the threats facing endangered species, including the habitat loss, poaching, climate change, and pollution. We need to support organizations dedicated to conservation efforts, whether through voluntarily or time or donating to their causes. We must advocate for stronger environmental regulation and policy that protect vulnerable species and their habitats. And finally, we must make conscious choices in our daily life, choosing sustainable products, reducing our carbon footprints, and supporting businesses that prioritize environmental responsibility. We are not powerless in the face of these crises. Preserving endangered species isn't just about saving animals. It's about safeguarding our own future. Biodiversity provides essential ecosystem services, including clean air and water, pollination of crops, and climate regulation. Many species hold potential for medicine breakthrough, providing sources of new medicines and treatment. The economic benefits of ecotourism, which relies on healthy ecosystem and wildlife population, are also significant. Beyond the practical benefits, there's an intrinsic moral imperative to protect this creature. Each species has the right to exist, and we have a responsibility as stewards of this planet to ensure their survival. The loss of biodiversity represents a profound loss of natural heritage, a diminishing of beauty and wonder of the natural world. A range of effective conservation strategies can help us preserve endangered species. Habitat protection and restoration is the paramount. Establishing protected areas such as natural parks, wildlife reserves safeguard critical habitats from further destruction. Habitat restoration project aims to rehabilitate degraded ecosystem, providing sustainable living space for endangered species. Ay, balik to. Taas. Sige pa, down. Kanala. Habitat protection and restoration is paramount. Establishing protected areas such as natural parks, wildlife, and reserves safeguard critical habitats from further destruction. Habitat restoration. Anti-poaching and law enforcement efforts are crucial to combating illegal wildlife trade. Strengthening laws, increasing patrols, and collaborating internationally are vital steps in protecting vulnerable species from exploitation. Community-based conservation engage local communities in conservation efforts. By empowering local people to protect their natural resources, we can ensure long-term sustainability. Discipline involves providing alternative livelihood to reduce reliance on activities that harm endangered species. Raising public awareness is essential to fostering support for conservation initiatives. Education campaigns can inform people about the importance of biodiversity and inspire them to take action. Preserving endangered species is not merely an environmental issue, it matters of social and economic justice. The loss of biodiversity has far-reaching consequences impacting food security, human health, and economic stability. By working together, governments, organizations, and individuals can make a significant difference. We need to adopt sustainable practices, support conservation initiatives, and advocate for strong environmental policies. The future of countless species depends on our collective action. Let us commit to preserving the incredible biodiversity of our planet for generations to come. Thank you.